super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I've got yet another video where I'm going to show you how to make at least $12 per hour by just doing some micro tasks, some micro jobs. And the strategy that I'm going to show you is not going to make you rich. You're not going to be financially free by what I'm going to show you in this video. But what can be a game changer to your finances, my friend, is what I'm going to say towards the end of this video. So I would urge you to watch this video to the end. Before I reveal the details, my friend, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money using the power of the internet. So if it is your desire to use the internet to make money, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. Click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Without wasting your time, my friend, let me take you straight to our website, which we're going to use today. This is picoworkers.com. It's a secure website with a padlock. If you click the padlock, you find that it says connection is secure, all right? Your information, for example, passwords or credit card numbers is private when it is sent to this site, okay? Right, you can see the certificates, the cookies, and the site settings right there, okay? So it says small gigs, big results, learn more. If you click that button, you learn more. We're not going that direction now, okay? So you're going to make money, $12 per hour as a freelancer, right? You're going to take some surveys, you're going to write some honest reviews on certain sites, then you're going to test some apps, you're going to write some articles, and many more, many other micro tasks, okay? If you are a business and you want to hire some micro workers, right, you can hire them as well. Pico Workers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. Businesses who need other people to help them support their work come to Pico Workers. Here, they can hire workers for ease and quick jobs, right? This is a worldwide opportunity. This is how small gigs works. You select the job that you like, you explore required tasks, you complete the tasks, then you send the required proofs, okay? Proofs of completion. You start right there. You click start now. Deliver work and get paid. This is how small gigs are great work. They are easy to do and require little time to finish. These are jobs like surveys, categorize images, help promote content, and many others. Get credited immediately after task is reviewed, and don't wait a month or more for a payout, right? So the jobs are small ones. They don't need forever to complete. Just like 3 to 5 minutes, you are done with a task, and then you are paid some money, right? For example, 20 cents or 15 cents or 8 cents or 50 cents, right? So if the job is going for 20 cents per task and you smash a few of them in few minutes or in an hour, then my friend, you are going to get $12 per hour, right? And I'll show you in a minute how to go about it, okay? So you create an account right there. So it says, post your affiliate link on blogs, websites, forums, social media, or write Pico Workers review. Refer new clients or freelancers and earn commission for each referral. You earn 5% from your referral. They've got a fantastic referral program. So besides your own work, right, you can earn also 5% of the earnings of the people whom you refer to this website, right? So that's a fantastic one. Let me just show you how to sign up. You sign up, right? You click sign up, put your name, your email address, password, you create a nickname, then you select your country. Like I said, this is a worldwide opportunity. You can do it from anywhere in the world. Because what they do is they'll send you an email a verification email to your email address. So make sure to give them a good email that you can click the verification link that they send, so that you can go ahead with your registration process. I'm already a member of this site. I'll log in. This is what you see, right? You see the jobs. Right now it says, let me refresh this page. So we've got 471 results. These are the jobs that are currently running right now, okay? So you've got right here, watch a video and you get 5 cents for watching a video. YouTube, subscribe, right? People are looking for subscribers and they come to Pico Workers to get subscribers. So you just subscribe right there and you get 5 cents, right? And scroll down, you see there's so many jobs, different amounts of payments, right? But the easiest way of selecting a job is by clicking the category, right? You click the category, and if you want jobs about sign up, right, you just click sign up jobs there, and then you apply, right? And then you see these are all 335 jobs that need sign up, and they are paying different amounts of money, right? 18 cents right there, 8 cents, 14 cents for signing up. Like I said, this is not going to make you rich, okay? Free Amazon audio books sign up, 20 cents. That one, crypto mining, 20 cents, 12 cents right there, and so forth, right? So say you don't want to sign up for anything, you just select the job that you want. You can go to the next one, search, click, and engage, apply, right? So you see there are 31 jobs concerning search, click, and engage. They're paying all different amounts of money, cents. Okay. What about YouTube? YouTube, you click and apply, right? 7 cents, the highest. The next one, Facebook. Facebook, there is no jobs from Facebook yet. What about Twitter? No jobs from Twitter. What about Instagram? Right, there is one job from Instagram, it's paying 2 cents, right? Nothing to write home about. You go to the next one, Yahoo Answers, right? Quora, apply. No jobs at the minute. I've already done my homework, my friend. Where you can get a lot of jobs besides the sign up ones is right here, which says surveys. You apply, surveys and offers. And they are paying better money, actually the best money, right? It's paying 20 cents per task, right? You crash that Y-Sense survey in 5 minutes or in 3 minutes, say in 5 minutes, right? You find that in an hour, it will be $12, right? Complete a survey, 20 cents. Complete and submit an offer, 20 cents, 21 cents, 20 cents. That one is 45 cents, right? So if you crash these surveys in 5 minutes each, in less than 5 minutes, then you know that you'll be making $12 per hour, right? So there is a ton of jobs to do right here. You won't be able to finish them. So that when you do these tasks, you're doing them thoroughly, you're doing them according to their standards. And you can see the employer, that's the nickname of the employer. And at the end there, you can see successful jobs per percentage task rated satisfied, which means when the owner of the job is satisfied by what you have done, then they will say successful. So that's the ratio. You can also check your tasks on there by clicking that, my jobs right there, and then my wallet, you can check your wallet right there, right? It says deposit, withdrawals, transactions, right? Deposits, this deposit button is for those who are bringing jobs. These are businesses that want to hire some micro workers. So they use that deposit button, right? But yours, you come here and withdraw. You click withdraw. You must have at least $5.35 for you to make a withdrawal. All right. So you can withdraw using cryptocurrency or PayPal. All right. So I've got a balance of 50 cents on there. I cannot withdraw it at the minute. If you're referring a friend, then you get a link. As you register, automatically your referral link is generated. Mine is that one. So you can take that and then you can go on Facebook, you can go on social media, and you can refer your friends and tell them to make some money, a little bit of side income using this website, okay? But as they join in and they do their tasks, you get 5%. You get paid from each referral, all right? That's your affiliate link right there. See, this is a good start to test the waters of making money using the power of the internet. It's not going to make you rich. It's not going to make you financially free. Let me give you a cool announcement right now, my friend, that you see, the internet has leveled the ground for everyone. That you and me, regular people, ordinary people, we can make some decent amounts of money leveraging the power of the internet. What I'm talking about right now is called AutoPilot business. You can set up a money-making machine in motion, and this machine starts to work for you 24/7, 365. You can make money whilst you are asleep on AutoPilot. You can make money whilst you're spending quality time with your family, with your loved ones, husband or wife. You can make money whilst you are on your dream vacation. Why? Because you are making money on AutoPilot as you are on holiday, as you are on vacation. Money, ka-ching, is getting into your account. So I've got a link in the description below which can give you the details of what I've just hinted right now. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. See you later.